to achieve your goal. Everything, take a list. How many people you're talking to, how many products will you sell, who are your prospects. Organize your list into a plan based on priorities and sequence. Number 6, take action, do delay. That's my topic a while ago. Take action, do not delay. And number 7, do something every day that moves you toward your goal. No matter how small. 10 people per day, maybe 2 books per month. If you want to conduct season to your group, sometimes do it from once a month, do it twice a month. Do something every day, no matter how small, that moves you toward your goal. Number 11, some people fail because they have no vision. That's how lucky, blessed, and global is. Because we have a visionary president by the name of Dr. Ed Domingo. Let's give him our applause. Before it happens, when he just started the business, every time we're talking in the office, John, Francis, Arnel, Georgian, believe me, time will come. We will rarely see each other anymore. Because maybe you are in this place, and that's happening. That's happening right now. Sometimes it took us a month before we see each other. Because we travel a lot. Before it's only a vision. Now it comes to reality. Before Dr. said, we will open Kenya. We will create many multi-millions in Kenya. Now it's happening here in Kenya. That's good, very good. I'll give you a story about bricklayer's story. Once upon a time, there were 3 bricklayers. When asked, what are you doing? The first bricklayer replied, I'm laying bricks. The second bricklayer was asked the same question. He answered, I am putting up a wall. And the third bricklayer was asked the question, what are you doing? Responded with pride in his voice, I'm building a cathedral. They are doing the same thing, but they have different vision. Ladies and gentlemen, people in Kenya, can I ask something? Why are you doing in global? Maybe some of you doing in global, you want to earn 10,000 shilling, some of you 5,000, some of you want to earn million. It depends on what vision you have. And vision is very important. The future belongs to those who see possibilities before they become obvious, or you just that doesn't happen. Your success now, you can see your success now. I still remember when I started starting as a networker, I attended this recognition rally. I only 3 months as a networker, 3-month-old as a networker, I attended the big rally. And those people were awarded, Profit Manager, USW Center.